Okay, so here's the first stage of my Donald Trump cookie. I used this black edible marker to draw my outline, and then I did his face and his hand, and now I'm gonna do his hair. Okay, so I did his hair, but you know, we all know the famous swoop, so I'm gonna I let this dry so it's a little bit crusty, so that I can put more on it without it just sinking into that, so it'll add some dimension. So we're gonna do some swoops here. Nice and built up, nice and fluffy, that majestic mane. And then another thing, if you want more definition, and you'll see this at the end, instead of like filling in this whole area with blue for his suit, I'm going to do it in small sections, because if you do the whole thing, it's all just going to blend into one big block of blue. But if you do little sections and let that section dry, and then do this section, and then do the sleeve, it'll kind of look like there's like seams in the fabric, and it'll give it more dimension. I'm looking nice and sharp in his suit. Then I'm going to take some pigment powder that I have and probably just come in to do some definition in the hair and give him some eyebrows. And then I think he'll be done. So these are the little powders I was talking about, and I'm just kind of giving him his signature glow here. Okay, so here's the finished product, but you can see if you turn him this way, he's got a lot of dimension. And I bought this little light box from Temu, which I think is pretty freaking great. What do you guys think? The Donald.